For some kids, the world is this small. Whether it's a sale, a school, a program, and for most, they've already given up. We build the opposite. This is META24. We have over 20 labs, from welding to esports to culinary to 3D printing to HVAC, hundreds of machines, 100 pieces of software. META24 is a complete campus, complete with curriculum, complete with online teaching, grading, the whole gamut to help our kids unlock the doors of the 21st century. META24 is not hypothetical, it's not theoretical. Our kids build real brick and mortar stores, they build real online stores, they have full access to TikTok shops. Our kids run full tournaments, they have full kitchens, they're making food, they do B2B businesses. What's missing in education is the ability to help these kids. What they see on social media, what they see in the real world, this is what they need to be practicing. META24 gives kids this access. Their homework is their actual business. Their lessons is the actual labs. They are the curriculum. META24, the labs, the curriculum, the kids, we have built a platform called Medi. It's partially AI, but what its goal is a kid can come in there, they can do full inventory, they can do full design. All the labs, from welding to OSHA certification, to how to parse out construction, to building houses, the entire gamut of all of our hands-on labs are built from Medi. META24 runs through our Medi AI platform. A kid picks what they want to do in terms of their concept. They go into the labs and Medi helps them walk through and building it. We work with our META24 facilitators who are experts in media, industrial, welding, culinary, fashion, you name it. They work side by side in helping that kid go from their idea to prototype to reality. META24 is the largest collective makerspace in the country. In Arkansas, we have built 17 labs within Arkansas Baptist College, right? So our kids have access to sports management, making their NIL come alive, making their seminary come alive. They have full access for all the business in terms of graphic design. They've built their own store. In META24, we've also worked with DYS. We've brought DYS students. These are students that are incarcerated into Arkansas Baptist. These students have come and start businesses. They have earned college credit. They've been released early from their sentences because they now have a future and a hope, right? We're also working in Westwind, which is a performing arts school. We've also developed META24 there as well. What's significant on META24 is it attracts students. When we first got there, we didn't see any students on campus. The next year, we saw 67 kids in the dorms. Now there's over 600 kids in the dorms, and they're running through META24, building projects, growing their businesses, learning ideas, and earning meaningful college credit. In Milwaukee, META24 built 4 labs for kids that have dropped out and opted out of school. It's brought them back into the school. They are now able to build businesses in some of their communities that look a little bit broken. They're excited about building their own stores, their own merchandise, and earning credits, both in credit recovery and also excited about the opportunity that it's going to do in building post-secondary options for them. All right, here in Illinois, META24 is in a couple alternative schools. In the past few years, we have put META24 in certain therapeutic schools. This is good for neurodivergent learners. It's been very successful. Our flagship school, HTD in Melrose Park, is a full META24 program. Our kids have thrived here. We're excited to continue to build this model, not only for the schools that have it, but for other therapeutic models that are looking for some different ways to educate their kids. In Michigan, we have been fortunate to work with several school districts in META24. We are about to convert one of the largest, most well put together CTE programs into META24, and one of the reasons why they're doing it is just the way that between Medi, between the integrated learning with the core and development, people are very excited about how META24 can help our students make their ventures come alive, help a lot of the things in career technical education come alive as well. Every dollar that has been donated into the program has taken that kid from that small space, that small cell, that contained classroom, and given them a part of META24 campus. It has given them the ability to experience all of the things that they see and that other kids either have access to or would desire to have access to. As we continue to move forward, whether it's in New York, as we expand throughout the South, know that every dollar that you donate, that every dollar that comes in through our contracts, through all of our different partnerships with all the different school districts, this is helping to change education, change the face of education, but more importantly, change the lives of these kids who now know and believe that they have a path forward in the world that we're living in. I'll leave you with this. We have several of our DYS kids. We have River and Roman, who were some of our kids that came out of Arkansas. They went from sitting in a cell in December to 6 months later, not only earning credits and helping others, they got a contract through our cable termination, MV termination company. They're making $65,000. That's not a change in program. That's not a change in where they live. That is a change in the lives of these students. And now more and more students are lining up to have this change. So thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your donations. Thank you so much for your trust with us, with your kids. META24 is continuing to build. We do not do that alone. We rely on you all to continue to build the bridges that we need from these small cells, these small schools, these small containments, to the META24 campus, to students working for your companies. So we continue to thank you for partnering with us and building with us.